Ignition Lab just secured 400 million.
Startup Lovable has raised a
Cursor has raised 900.
So, the 0.3% of people who already know how to code now have more AI tools. What about the rest of us? People want intuitive AI, AI that's more than just chats. That's why we built Taku, an AI-native operating system to replace Windows and macOS. And this is what Taku can do, right now.